Hey guys, just trying to get used to this new whiteboard. So interesting. All right, let's jump into a problem like this. So if we have 81 to the 3 over 2 power, there's at least 3 good ways to do this. I think you should do the one that makes the most sense to you. So first you might say, well, that is the square root of 81 to the third. Right? You might rewrite it as a radical. And so that means it's the square root of 81 times 81 times 81. Well, I know that 81 is 9 times 9. So I've got 9 times 9, 9 times 9. Oh, my. Okay, yeah. Gotta get used to this pen. All right, and so if I'm doing a square root, I know that I circle pairs of numbers. And so I have 3 pairs of 9s, right? So that means that this is equal to 9 times 9 times 9, which is 81 times 9, which is 729. So 81 to the 3 over 2 power is 729. That is one way to think of it. Let's do it again. We might think of this as, let's take 81 to the 3 over 2, and let's rewrite 81. 81 is also 9 squared, right? To the 3 over 2 power. Well, I know that when I multiply fractions, the top and bottom numbers can divide potentially. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is really 9 to the third power. I'm a pen there. Okay, the color. 9 to the third, which is 9 times 9 times 9, which is what I had here, which is 729. So that is a third way to get the answer. I mean, a second way. 1, 2. 2 comes after 1. All right, let's do a third way. So 81 to the 3 over 2. This is very similar to the first one that the second one that we did. Oh my goodness. First, second, third. Here we go. So you might also think of 81 as 3 to the 4th power. I think this is less likely for us to think of, but maybe you will. So 3 to the 4th, and it's raised to the 3 over 2. So then you could do the same thing here as far as like multiplying these fractions. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So this is really 3 to the 6th power. Well, then let's figure that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 9 times 9 times 9, which is for the third time the same as this, 729. All right, 3 ways to get the same answer. I hope that's helpful to you, and I'll see you next time.